Hello, welcome to Canon Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on a Breville. This came in with issues of low pressure and the grinds not being right. We did a few little adjustments. We cleaned the group head. It has a whole new O-ring and screen and everything, but we're going to go ahead and start with the steam. It's nice strong steam. Takes a second as it's reheating. And we're also going to show two different size shots there today. So let's see, here we go, some nice strong steam. There it is, nice and dry. We'll also do a real quick one on the hot water. We'll bring water back up into the scene here. So we're steaming it out, and there we go, some hot water for you. The first single is a dual wall single. It's about 11 or 12 grams. I did a couple of recalibrations, so it's a very tight, fine grind. Still can go a little bit tighter, but that might be a little too tight. It's its own tamp with it. Nice, secure fit. And the single basket is what the machine came in with, so this one is a little ristretto here, but we'll see. Nice strong pressure. All right, not a bad shot. Let's go ahead and see, just because it has to. I made it for two. This, we have about 19 to 20 grams. That's what Breville suggests for the 20. It's not a double lined basket, but let's see. If I remember, this shot is a little more than we're gonna do it again. I didn't press double, so let's get it all lined up for double. Pardon me. Here we go. And back at it. This, I have a bigger glass because the shot's a long double, but it looked good. Didn't over extract or anything. Ooh, well, that's nice and piled high. We'll bring that out. Get it to the middle. Give it a nice tamp. Get some of that loose stuff off. In there, tight. Double. There we go, rising right up. 10 bars or so. There we go, look at that. Nice cup of coffee. There we have it, the Breville. Thanks for repairing with Canon Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video. Thank you for watching the long video. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.